Spartans. Just a quick reminder, don't overcomplicate things. Things are very simple. They're very basic. Break things down to the core of it, and you'll find the truth. Don't get caught up in over-analysing and overthinking things. This will stop you from moving forward without limitations. You need to embrace the now moment and move forward with it without, creating evidence and, reasons and rationality out of it and logic. Just move with it and you'll be fine. Keep it Spartan.